Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Halo on Fire on guitar using an easy method. Start by mastering the 4 fundamental chords that form the backbone of Halo on Fire. These are typically E minor, C major, G major, and D major. Practice transitioning between them smoothly, ensuring each chord rings out clearly. Begin with a simple, down-up strumming pattern, focusing on consistency and rhythm. This foundational step is crucial for building your confidence and muscle memory before moving on to more complex sections. For the verse, you'll primarily use the E minor, C major, G major, and D major progression. Play each chord for one measure, keeping a consistent rhythm. The pre-chorus often shifts the emphasis, perhaps with a quicker strum or a slight pause. Listen closely to the original song to capture these subtle rhythmic changes. Remember, a steady tempo is key to making these sections sound cohesive and professional. The chorus is where the song truly opens up, so increase your strumming intensity and volume. You might use a more aggressive down-down-up-up-down-up pattern. The bridge section often provides a contrast, perhaps with a softer approach or a slightly different chord progression, like a minor to C major. Focus on the dynamic shifts, playing with more power in the chorus and a more nuanced touch in the bridge to convey the song's emotional arc. Consistent practice is your best friend. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of focused playing each day. Utilize a metronome to develop impeccable timing and a steady rhythm, starting at a slow tempo and gradually increasing it. Don't be afraid to break down difficult sections and practice them repeatedly. With dedication, you'll be playing Halo on Fire with confidence and flair in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.